Let's have a look at a couple of linear equations. First of all, I'm going to enter the function 2x plus 3. It looks like this. Then I'm going to draw another linear function. Let's say minus, and we enter a fraction, 1 over 2 x, and then plus 1. As we can see, these two lines are perpendicular, so we have an angle here between these two lines, and the angle is 90 degrees. They are perpendicular. So let's remember these functions, 2x plus 3. And then we had the other line, minus a half, or 1 over 2 x plus 1. They are perpendicular to each other. So let's try a couple of more equations or functions. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to delete this. Let's draw x plus 2, and then the second one will be minus 1 over 3 x minus 2, for example. As we can see, this angle is 90 degrees as well. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Y is equal to minus 1 over 3 x minus, what was the y-intercept for this function? It was minus 2. Okay, so how am I able to guess any two functions and then to guess the functions that are perpendicular to each other? Well, as we know, we have the connection if we have the slope of a function, in this case 2, and the slope for this function minus 1 over 2, and then if we multiply them, see 2 times minus 1 over 2, we will always get minus 1 if they're perpendicular to each other. So in this case we have 3, the slope 3, and the slope minus 1 over 3. And if I multiply 3 and minus 1 over 3, we see that we get minus 1. So you can draw any function. In this case, let's say that y is equal to 3x plus 2, and then you can come up with the slope for the other line that will be perpendicular to this line. So you just have to think 3 times any number is going to be, or a number is going to be minus 1. What is that number? So it's going to have the if it's positive, it's going to be negative. So if it's plus 3, it's going to be minus something, and in this case it's very easy, 1 over 3. So this is the reason why it works, why when we multiply the two slopes, or the m value for the two functions. If it's -1, it means that they are perpendicular. So try to come up with a couple of lines and plot them and see if they are perpendicular, if you figure out how to determine the m value.